everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to draw this peacock cat. Maybe... Nah, we're not gonna draw it. It takes too long. So next time, we're going to put it into the next time drawer. We are going to draw a peacock feather instead. We are going to use black. This is the half of my A4 piece of paper, and then go right down to the bottom. Get your yellow and then draw a raindrop shape, but with a curve like that. Do the yellow line a little bit thicker around the yellow circle. Get your green and then draw a sided oval shape like that, and then do it a line a bit thicker again, and then get your dark blue and then turn it around upside down ways, and then draw a heart there, and then color in the heart. Then turn it around that way like that. Curve the spiky bit of the heart. Then get your light blue and then start coloring in between the dark blue and the light green. After, get your this type of brown and then color in between the light green and the yellow. Go a bit darker if you like. And keep on coloring in. Put your brown back where it was and then get your brown. Follow me. Like that. And then go a bit curved up here. And then starting from here, do it a bit and make the space larger and the feathers longer. Well done! You finished your peacock feather. I hope you enjoyed and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!